Hey guys, how are you doing? This is Keiron Hogg, and in today's video I'm going to be reviewing Affiliate Toolbox. This is a product that is being launched by Darren Brown, and it shows you how to make money online as an affiliate marketer, and he's going to be showing you 10 secret websites, and he's going to show you skills that you can use to make money online consistently. We're going to look at my bonuses as well that I've custom tailored for this particular product, plus my mega bonus bundle. We'll also see what Darren is offering, and I do have the members area access here as well, which we're going to dive into and learn more about it. So I'll see you on the other side. Welcome back, guys. This is a product that is going live on Wednesday, November 30th, 9 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, with a front end of $16. And if this is a product that you do like and you do want to purchase, if you use my link, I have a special treat for you. You got to wait till the end to find more about that. So this is my bonus page, guys. This is going to stay up until Saturday, December 3rd. So you're just going to click on any of these links to be able to access my bonuses. But let's learn more about what Affiliate Toolbox is. So basically it is a compilation of lots of secret websites carefully researched to help you with affiliate marketing. You're going to get 10 training videos, each of which are about 20 minutes in length, showing you the full training, different kinds of things you need to know, with 10 links which will get you included with this launch, plus a lot more stuff. So guys, also one thing that Darren is offering is if you purchase Affiliate Toolbox in the early bird sale, he'll be gifting you 60 more links that you can start using right away. So if I just show you right here, this is what it is: exclusive 60 secret websites included. We'll learn more about that in just a moment. Here's the price and the upsells. We'll dive into that in just a moment. And before we get into my bonuses, let's take a look at the members area. So this is Darren himself. He's talking, introducing about what Affiliate Toolbox is, how to make steady money online, so you can watch that on your own time. Now he's going to talk to you about what is Affiliate Toolbox. So I just mentioned that, guys. You don't need to look at that right now. This will all be in my description below. You can check that out on your own time in further detail. All of this information will be in there as well. So the real money is in the list. Is telling you about the importance of making an email list and how to grow it and maintain it. What are the giveaway bonuses? So guys, you can check this out on your own time. Is there a better way to use bonuses? So he's going to show you some different strategies for using your bonuses too. And guys, you have access to my secret rotator bonus 1 secret rotator setup blueprint, so you can just click on that to access it. His bonus number 2 is another secret rotator, so you can click on it here and access that right there. More bonus training, Affiliate Toolbox long tail extra bonus 3, so you can access it here as well. And Affiliate Toolbox bonus 4, how to automate and get leads while you sleep. Click on that to get access right there. And guys, you can get 1,000 hours of training for free. Join right here to join the link below. So when you join this membership, please work through the training. So there's going to be a lot of video training for you. Now, why do you need traffic? So it's going to tell you simple affiliate basics, why you need multiple traffic sources, not just from one particular source. And what is the toolbox? A brief look at. So how fast is the internet tool? It's about the math. Everything you do with fonts, website identifier tool, what's in video, access a world time clock, what is stack share, have you seen Phantom Buster, what products hunt, show me what's jitter video, what's OSINT essentials. Now guys, Affiliate Toolbox starter links pack 1, so you're going to get all of these. Let me just show you here. So you're going to take you to what's my font, so you're going to get all of these special links here to different websites, different links that you can use to help you make more money online. Now wait, do you need more links? So here is another tutorial showing you how to get more links after your launch has finished. Now guys, there's more training here, so remember, not all videos will be compatible for all links, but by tweaking a bit, you can create methods and use your other links you may have. Plus, this training is full of value and benefits. So he's got tons of value here. He said each video is about 20 minutes. So you guys can check these out later. Also, this is a conclusion, wrapping up. So access below, extra value, low price. This is something else that he's putting out here as well. So top up with 50 mailers you can use here for $9.95. This is something on top of Affiliate Toolbox. All right, and you can also access the Elite List Club here. Review beta training portal to promote review beta within 1 month. So here are some extra products I believe that he's offering. So you can buy them here, you can buy the elite listings here, and again, this will be in more detail in the sales page. He'll be talking about that as well. So you can also have the future of mastership mentorship, and don't hesitate, click the link below to learn more so you can access your membership right here as well. First month, $9.39 repeated. Okay, so we've got terms and conditions, privacy policy, disclaimer, and support. You guys have 4 days and 7 hours as I'm doing this to collect all of this value. And guys, to get your bonuses, you can also just click right there, your promised bonuses, and it will take you over to their page. So here we are, we have access over 3 hours of office training, your picture transparent toolkit, your affiliate marketing details, bronze to gold, bonus below, how to build an e-com store, blogging success in 2022, your fast SEO kit, fast market start, traffic hunter, full website capture. So there are quite a lot of bonuses that Darren is offering. And guys, let me show you what my bonuses are offering as well. So guys, this is how to convert your phone into your cash machine. So our phone is ubiquitous. We take it everywhere. Why not make your phone start earning money for you while you're stuck in traffic, while you're waiting for people, while you're just killing time maybe on the couch? You'll find strategies on how to make money with your phone in that bonus. This is another bonus that I made, how to build your email list very, very easily. This is me telling you step by step, very, very easy, but very, very effective way to be able to build your email list. This is great, guys. So Darren talks about multiple traffic sources. I'm also provided some traffic sources too. This is a great way of using Pinterest and Instagram. It follows your followers, if you will. It follows the people that you follow, it follows them, and you can interact with them. All right, it's going to show you how you can do that. And the fastest growing social platform in the world, TikTok, you're going to get access to the front end, OTO 1234, called Nova. This is launched by Robin Palmer, a 7-figure affiliate. He's showing you how to bypass all the expensive advertising on TikTok and how to get a lot of people, a lot of eyeballs on what you want them to know. And guys, my mega bonus bundle, 225 bonuses for free.
What? Did we just become best friends? Yep.
That's right. And of course, the bonuses that we just looked at with Darren. All right, guys, I want to take you to the sales page. Here it is. So guys, this pops up. This is an extra value that you might be interested in. Exclusive 60 secret websites included. Do not miss when purchase area. Type in coupon. I have coupon field in purchase page. So it was 16, now 9. Add this coupon code below, affiliate 5-day only. Then you will get a discount. You get a $7 discount. It'll only be $9. Okay. Oh, let's check it out here, guys. So we have, again, get access to 10 secret websites and learn skills to increase your income. So guys, you can check this out more on your own time. I'm just going to show you some of the highlights. So the Affiliate Toolbox is a unique product ready for you to use and learn from, helping you grow your list. Has a unique builder all buy-in worth all landing pages included, done for you, but is not essential. If you purchase Affiliate Toolbox in the early bird, you will get those 60 more free links that we talked about. Here is Darren here. You can reach him at darrenbrownonline.com. Now, here's going into it, the 10 training videos, the 10 links, talking about the bonuses only in the early bird launch, and free membership access is included. Affiliate Toolbox comes with great upsells. Okay, so you guys can learn. I just don't want to read all of this for you. You can check this out on your own time. So he's talking about some of his bonuses, why you would not want to try. Why would you not want to try Affiliate Toolbox? Okay. Again, you can check all that out. So just click on any of these links and it will take you to Warrior Plus. In fact, let me show you how to get my bonuses. What you will do, you will click on any of these links. It'll take you over to the sales page. You click on the pink tab here, and then it's going to take you to Warrior Plus. Click on that blue tab, and then you will get access to my bonuses, including my mega bonus bundle. So there is a lot of written information here, guys, so I think it'll be way too boring if I just sit here and read it all for you. You will have access to the sales page. You can read this on your own time. Okay, so guys, I want to take you up now to the price and the upsells. Let's see which ones could be a possibility for you. So here is the funnel. The front end at 16, OTO1, the done for you, OTO2, the resale rights, OTO3, the monthly membership, OTO4, the builder all buy-in at 81, and the everlasting memberships at 701 time. Okay, so the front end at 16, you're gonna get the 10 training videos and about 20 minutes long, the 10 links. Early birds get the $9.95 first 12 hours. Okay, so it is going to go on sale for $10 for the first 12 hours. An extra bonus will stop after 5-day launch, so be sure. Okay, so it's gonna go up. So it will go up and you'll be saving $18. Exclusive to early bird purchase only, buy in launch and receive for free 6 more packs of 10 links. This will give you a staggering 70 links in total. So if this does look appealing to you and you want to get it, I urge you to get it earlier. Then you're going to be getting more value as a result. Plus all of my bonuses and the mega bonus bundle. Done for you at 27. So the done for you plus hosted funnel, setting up mailers can be tricky, but with the mailer done for you, it's easy. So guys, you can check this out on your own time. The resale rights at 37, you will make 100 commissions on the entire funnel. The OTO is a $39 monthly fee, I believe. Let me see. Monthly membership, $39. So exclusive membership monthly, 25 places only. So it will be a small, intimate group where you will be able to meet like-minded people and of course talk with Darren himself. He will be able to guide you. So exclusive, and it'll help you succeed in any product launch. So if you do want to be, in fact, creating your own products, this might be a particular OTO that you want to consider. So membership's worth $3,200 monthly price, $39 will get you all of that. All right, so he's going to show you also SEO custom YouTube tool and thumbnail built for you, plus other things that you can use to help you. Number 4, OTO4, $89 a month, no extra costs ever, and you can read that yourself. And the OTO5 is this $697. This is having everything, so you're going to have the everlasting membership pack. Included already in this membership are 100 plus reviews and vendors that have already given permission for anyone who joins. Will allow you to promote their product. And you can also review beta limitless memberships, everything else, upgrades, updates, for as long as you are a member. It's a one-time price. There is no extra prices coming down the pike. And it'll include featured perks, which will have less access, which you will have access to new products, existing products, future memberships, early access to products before they are launched, so you can get in front of the pack, as it were. All right, guys, so this wraps up my review on Affiliate Toolbox. It's easy to follow, newbie friendly, training and support is provided. Now, if you like Affiliate Toolbox, I do like the membership here at $39. If you want to start creating your own products, then Darren can guide you. All right, I'll leave the other ones up to you to decide. And guys, if you do get it, of course, you're going to get my how to convert your phone into your cash machine, tips on how to build your email list, how to use your followers in Instagram and Pinterest, TikTok, front end, OTO 1, 2, 3, 4 of Nova, my mega bonus bundle, and of course, Darren's products as well, guys. And don't forget, I said if you got it through my link, I have an extra treat for you. I will be thanking you with an email asking you to whitelist my email. There is a step-by-step video where I show you exactly how to do it. It is not hard. And when you take a screenshot and show me, I will give you another bonus that I know you're gonna love. I got a lot of value from it, and I know you will too. Also, guys, check out my free training down below if you are interested in making money online. I have a 4-video tutorial, absolutely free. And if you want to learn affiliate marketing by a 7-figure affiliate, check out that link down below. He shows you his winning formula. It's something that I use. You get mentors for life. I will be able to mentor you too. And if you got any value from this, give me a like. Hit that bell so you're always notified. And let me know your thoughts. How can I help you? You can comment down below or reach out to me on Facebook. All right, my friends, thank you for your time. I really appreciate it. I always do. And best of luck on your journey. Talk to you soon.